Tortilla Kebabs. Let's get involved, people. Woo! Hello and welcome back to Barbecue Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight, guys, we're going to be cooking up some tortilla kebabs. They're going to be incredible, along with some really cool sauce I'm going to make with it. So who is coming over tonight? Guys, we have Brett Norton back on guitar. We also have a newcomer tonight. His name is David Welch. He's going to be playing some keys for us, along with Ryan Cobb on bass and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So without further ado, let's get involved, people. Boom! All right, so to get these kebabs going, we're going to be starting off with some 80-20 ground beef. So for seasoning tonight, we're going to be using some of our hardcore carnivore, the chili lime. It goes really well with this mix. So here we go. Now we're going to go in with some bell pepper. We have red and green bell pepper, along with some red onion, jalapeno, and garlic. So let's chop all this up. Now we've got all of our ingredients added, let's give it a mix. All right, now that our mixture is all mixed up, we're gonna take these tortillas, flour tortillas, and we're gonna make them square. That is not square at all, is it? What do you guys think? Huh? Pretty close? That's good enough. All right, let's load them up with some meat. All right, now we're going on for the next layer. All right, on to the next layer. It's like a tortilla lasagna. Right, now we're gonna divide this up. All right, now we're gonna flip these over
that's exciting.
in this way,
Yeah.
bring them together, and we're going to skewer them. All right, here we go. So now let's cut these guys up one more time. Gonna quarter them up. We've got our kebabs ready for the grill.
Hold one up.
Check them out. Boy, that is beautiful. I can almost eat that right now. It looks so good. Woo! But I'm not. I'm gonna grill it, I promise.
Steak tartare kebab.
Yeah, steak tartare kebab. That's it. All right, cool. So I'm gonna make another set of these up, and we're gonna start grilling. So you guys hold tight, like and subscribe. Check out these jams. We'll be right back. Okay, now it's time to create a sauce. So we're gonna be using some jalapeno. We're also gonna be using some sour cream, lemon, garlic, and some cilantro, along with some chili lime seasoning. Time to throw on the kebabs. Here we go. We have to watch them and turn them pretty often because we don't want them to burn. 400 degrees direct, and we're going to be flipping these quite a bit. So probably every 3 to 5, well, about 3 minutes, we'll flip. All right, guys, it's time to pull. Here we go. Woo, look at these babies. Oh my God. These are going to be incredible, guys. Y'all can smell these. They smell so delicious. I can't wait to tear into these guys. Let me go get the sauce and we'll be right back. Look at this. Ooh, it's right. Tortilla Tortilla Kebabs. Let's get involved, people. Woo! All right, we're gonna check this out, guys. Here we go. We've got a couple players over here who want to get involved with this. All right, so we have Brett Norton over here. We also have Mr. Ryan Cobb in the house. Come on. What's up, Ryan Cobb? What's up, bro? And we also have a newcomer tonight. We have David Welch over here. Come on.
Yeah, David.
What's up, bro? How's it going?
Going great.
Hey, thanks. I can't wait to check these things out. I know they're going to be fantastic. I got a good feeling. You guys ready to get involved?
Absolutely.
Okay, cool. We have paper towels over here. I'm just going to grab this thing, and we're just going to grab some off of here, I guess, and just go for it. I don't know how to really otherwise eat this thing, but yeah. Snag some off. Mazzy is waiting. She's waiting.
Oh, and there's
for
somebody
something to
funny
fall.
dropping for her, so.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy.
All right, I'm going in with you guys. Holy moly. Okay. All right, everybody, here we go. Cheers.
So
Here we go.
Dude.
Oh boy.
Dude. That is killer.
So that
These
is
are ridiculous.
pretty damn good. I think I might just try out a little bit more sauce on this thing. Man, this sauce is really good too. I gotta check some of this out. You guys want to check it out? Go for it.
Let's see.
I think we need some more food to check that out.
Oh yeah. That is pretty good.
Whoa.
You digging it?
How's filler?
Oh, so good.
Don't be shy.
Yeah, absolutely. Woo!
Yeah, I know you've heard this before, but this might be my favorite thing. But
No way! Are you serious?
yeah, dude, this is ridiculously good.
God, it's just every time I'm like baffled. I don't know which way it's gonna
It gets
go.
better and better.
Now, if you were to throw a score on this, like 1 out of 10, how do you feel about this?
Now I want to continue eating. I want to keep eating. I've already had dinner and I want to keep eating.
Oh, nice. Okay, well, I'm glad you brought your appetite with you. Because you're going to have to eat more because we have a whole bunch here.
Yeah.
Aren't you excited?
Absolutely.
All right, cool. I can't believe. Really?
Dude, no, this is incredible.
I know
This is
you're,
so
you're,
good.
you're a beef guy. I know you're all
That's what
into
it
the
is,
beef.
yeah.
He is all into beef. David, what do you think, buddy?
This is an 8.5. Easy, bro.
8.5.
All
I
right.
like the 8.5.
Yeah,
Thank you
man.
very much. And you know what? I'm really going to go into that with you as well. I think I'm feeling like it's in the 8 somewhere in there.
Yeah.
I'm not like blown away, but I'm certainly not disappointed because this is very good and that sauce is great.
The smokiness, though, it's like it elevates it.
It absolutely
Big time.
does. It was, well, all that juice was just dripping on the charcoal and just creating this crazy smoke fest in there, which turned out really well. Well, guys, awesome. I am so super excited about these jams tonight. And yeah, we're going to get involved. So, guys, you all stay tuned. We'll be right back. Guys, we had an excellent show tonight. Oh my God, these kebabs were incredible. What did you guys think of these kebabs tonight? So very good. Oh my God, you gotta try them out. So very good. Hey, look, we also have a newcomer tonight. We've got David Welch over here. What's up, David?
What's up, man?
How's it going, man?
Going great.
All right. Well, hey, look, we've got to hook you up with a shirt because that's part of the thing here. But what do you think?
That's
Looking
beautiful.
pretty sweet.
Love a
All
good
right, cool. Hey, look, it's official. You've been barbecue jamming.
Yeah.
like, subscribe. You know the drill. Come on. Woo! Peace out.